No, I gotta go. Right. I'll see you in 10 days. Or, well, 10, right? Yeah, I'll see you in 10 days. I love you, Scott.
You fixed people up before, right? At the,
Alright, good morning guys. So we're at the airport right now. Our flight's gonna leave in a little while, but I had to say goodbye to Sky and it was pretty rough, but I'm really excited for today. The second we land, we're gonna get everything ready and we're gonna try to fish today, but I'm not really sure how that's gonna work out. But we've officially made it, and today starts the first day of Florida in the Florida series of me fishing, so I hope you guys enjoy and I hope you stay tuned. So I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. I didn't plan on updating you guys so early, but I'm bored and I'm stuck with Grace. All you can hear is my mom go.
No, she goes, that's not nice.
You laughed. You laughed.
8:31 through 60 currently boarding.
Alright, just a little update for you guys.
I'm braiding my hair.
Grace is braiding her hair. We just landed. The flight was honestly kind of rough. It was pretty bumpy, but we made it. We're here. And we're getting the rental car, so I'll keep you guys updated. Which one's our car? Is this it?
Yeah, baby.
Hey.
That thing's better fit.
This thing better fit in that car. It looks big enough to fit. Oh, hell yeah, it's gonna fit. Oh, that's fitting. Look at that. That's perfect.
Yeah. Hell yeah.
It looks like we're all moving to Florida with all this stuff.
We're not going back.
Alright, I don't mind. I won't.
For the rest of my life.
Alright, what's up guys? Grace and I just ate. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's just chilling right now. We're both really full, but I got all the rods out. Luckily, none of them broke, but I wanted to show you guys this. So this is just one suitcase. We brought an extra suitcase. It's just all fishing stuff. Just like piles and piles of fishing stuff. All my tackle. We had to fit it in one suitcase. We're gonna eventually make it to the water at some point. We're just gonna chill. We just finally made it. It was a long day, so I'll keep you guys updated, but for now, that's all I got for you guys. Alright, Grace and I just left the hotel and walked to a spot. All we're using is this shrimp. You can literally buy this at Walmart. This is what we did last time we were here, and that worked really well. So we're gonna give this a shot. Oh, you got one? Yes! Grace's first fish. I think that's just a snapper. I don't know. Pretty cool though. All right, finally first fish down. Oh, I lost him. I didn't even have time to close my bail. He was just gone. Damn it. It's got something. Oh man. Wow. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh, all right, just hooked into this one right here. Let me get the big camera out for this one. This one's a pretty fish. All right, this is a fish I just caught. Oh, you can see like the yellow and the blues on his face. I'm pretty sure this one's just another sort of grunt or a snapper. I'm not really sure the species name of this guy, but super, super cool. See ya, bud. There he goes. All right, let's get in some more. Got something the second it dropped. What is this? Oh, it's literally the same exact fish. Do you hear him? He's grunting. I think it's so funny how they grunt. Alright, see you, bud. That's so sick. I got the big one, I got the big one, I got the bigger one. Well, that's actually like a good size. From what we've been catching, this is actually a pretty decent sized one. Oh, this is the same exact one that I caught, like the red, I mean not the red, the blue and yellow. This one doesn't really have yellow, it's just blue, but okay. Another one. See ya, bud. Got one. Please be something new. Oh, finally something new. Is this a baby jack?
Yeah.
Oh my god. No way! Dude, no way! Oh my god! My goal this whole entire trip was to catch like a jack or a snook, and I just caught a baby jack. That is so sick. Alright guys, so I just caught this baby jack right here. I'm not sure how you should even hold a baby jack, but look how sick this is. I've never caught one. A goal for my trip was to catch a baby jack, so this is pretty awesome. He's super smooth and like, I don't know, they feel really cool and they look pretty neat. Haha, I'm so excited right now. Literally, a snook or a jack was my goal, and first day, first like hour of fishing, not even, caught a jack. So I'm pretty excited right now. We're gonna put this little guy go. We're gonna put this little guy back though. See you, bud. That was awesome. Oh, I just had something. Got something. Ooh. Wow, this is a new species. Oh my god. Hold on. Let's take this bud to Grace. I have no idea. Pretty cool.
Oh, yes.
Gracie, I caught. No! I was just trying to come show you this fish I caught. Alright, no idea how you're supposed to hold these guys. No, I'm definitely holding him wrong, but look how orange this fish is.
Dropped him.
Yeah, I dropped him, so he's a little sandy. So we're gonna let him go. Bye, bud. Sorry about dropping you twice. Alright guys, so we had like an okay day. It was our first day, so it wasn't horrible. We definitely got some good fish. I ended up catching like an actual decent sized fish, but I'm gonna get copyrighted because of the background music, so I'm not even gonna post that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. We have a lot more time in Florida, so this is only the start, and I hope you guys are enjoying it. I'm working really hard on these videos for you guys, so I'll catch you guys in the next video catching more fish.